Hello all. Many of us have heard of embedded systems and IoT. If you are looking for a job or some assistance related to embedded systems and IoT, then Technominds is there to help you out. Myself, Nikhil Dongardive, as the institute head and a trainer for the embedded systems and IoT. In Technominds, we are going to give you a complete hands-on training related to embedded system from the basics to its advanced level till STM32. So to grab this opportunity related to embedded systems and IoT and to get a relevant job in the field of embedded systems as a developer, you must join the Technominds. For any help or any consultant, you are going to get everything in details with the hands-on training. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Aniket Bapat, Head of Engineering and Operations, Technominds Pune, having an experience more than 10 years in this industry. We as Technominds works with total 4 verticals in our Mumbai and Pune office. But today I am going to talk specifically about our education vertical containing an experience more than a decade by providing industrial content to our students to make them at par industry. So when we consider electronic industry, there are 2 types of developments comes in the picture. The first one is embedded system, the second one is PCB designing, and now Internet of Things, which is IoT. So through our education vertical, we provide 2 advanced diploma courses. One is embedded system with IoT and second is industrial PCB designing, having an industrial content based on product development. So let's connect on below numbers and visit to our office to meet me in person face to face for more details and information. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Have you ever thought of doing job in Core Electronics as a PCB designer? If yes, then Technominds is there to help you out. Hello, this is Pallavi Jadhav, Senior Instructor of PCB Designing in Technominds Systems and Services. As a Technominds, we provide industry level of PCB designing training to you with various industry level softwares. Also, we provide career guidance to you and 100% job assistance. For more information, do visit Technominds in Kothur. Thank you.
हॅलो, माझं नाव अक्षय पाटील. ॲक्च्युली मी टेक्नोमाइंड सिस्टीम अँड सर्व्हिसेसमधून 2 कोर्सेस पूर्ण केले. एक म्हणजे एम्बेडेड सिस्टीम आणि दुसरं म्हणजे PCB डिझायनिंग. आणि हे 2 कोर्सेस पूर्ण केल्यानंतर आज मी एका रेप्युटेड कंपनीमध्ये वर्क करतो आहे. सांगायचं इतकंच की टेक्नोमाइंड्स एक चांगले एज्युकेशनल कोर्सेस प्रोव्हाइड करते. तिथली टीचिंग मेथड चांगली आहे, तिथे एक मोटिवेशनल सराउंडिंग आहे. सो आय रिकमेंड की तुम्ही तुमच्या ब्राईट फ्युचरसाठी आणि त्याचप्रमाणे एक चांगला करिअर पॉईंट म्हणून टेक्नोमाइंडला जॉईन करू शकता. थँक्यू.
Hello everyone, my name is Parth Zope. Currently I am pursuing BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from JSPM Rajeshri Shahu College of Engineering. In Technominds, I had enrolled in 2 courses, Embedded System and PCB Designing. On the basis of these courses, I have been selected as an Embedded System Designer in KPIT. The courses at Technominds were well structured and well planned. In Embedded System, I learned about microcontrollers and their interfacing with different sensors. In PCB designing, I had designed single layer PCBs to multi-layered PCBs. If you want a great career in embedded system and PCB designing, Technominds is the place to pursue it. Technominds provides a vivid environment to learn and grow at the same time. It had also nurtured my personality to whom I am today. Thank you.
हॅलो एव्हरीवन, माझं नाव शुभम अवचर आहे आणि मी माझं बॅचलर्स हे बीटेक मॅकाट्रॉनिक्समधून केलेलं आहे. तर मी तुम्हाला आज एक टेक्नोमाइंड्स इन्स्टिट्यूटबद्दल माहिती सांगणार आहे. मी टेक्नोमाइंड्स इन्स्टिट्यूटमधून एम्बेडेड सिस्टीम हा कोर्स करत आहे. टेक्नोमाइंड्स इन्स्टिट्यूटमुळे ह्या कोर्समुळे मला IoT हे काय असतं ह्याबद्दल मला खूप माहिती भेटली. आणि जे टेक्नोमाइंडची जी शिकवण्याची पद्धत आहे ती खूप चांगली आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला खूप हँड्स ऑन वर्क भेटते आणि तुम्ही खूप काही नवीन मायक्रो कंट्रोलर्स ह्याविषयी शिकू शकता. तर सांगायचं एवढंच आहे की तुम्ही पण तुमच्या चांगल्या भवितव्यासाठी किंवा तुमच्या भविष्यासाठी टेक्नोमाइंड्स इन्स्टिट्यूटला जॉईन करू शकता.
माझं नाव आहे प्रणील महात्मे आणि मी पुण्यामधल्या एम्बेड टेक्नॉलॉजीज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड इथे ॲज अन एम्बेडेड अँड IoT डेव्हलपर जॉब करतो आहे. जर एम्बेडेड अँड IoT बद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर मी टेक्नोमाइंड्स इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ ॲडव्हान्स टेक्नॉलॉजी पुणे इथून 2 ॲडव्हान्स डिप्लोमाचे कोर्स केले होते. एक म्हणजे PCB डिझायनिंग आणि दुसरा म्हणजे एम्बेडेड विथ IoT. सो टेक्नोमाइंड्समधला स्टाफ जो आहे तो हायली नॉलेजेबल आणि प्रॉपर इंडस्ट्रियल ओरिएंटेड आहे. त्यांचा सिलेबससुद्धा इंडस्ट्रियल ओरिएंटेड आहे. सो तुम्हाला तिथे प्रॉपर गायडन्स मिळेल आणि त्यांचं हार्डवेअर इंटरफेसिंग असेल, कंट्रोलर्सबद्दल नॉलेज असेल, तो सिलेबस कवर करणं असेल, ते मस्तपैकी तुमच्याकडून तुम्हाला करून देतील आणि तुम्हाला तिथे 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टन्स मिळतो जे तुम्हाला टेक्निकल राऊंड घेतील. सो आय विल इन्शुअर यू दॅट प्लीज व्हिजिट आणि तुम्ही तिथे जॉईन करा. थँक्यू.
Hello friends, myself Nikita Chavan and I am now working at Yazaki India Private Limited as a senior design engineer. So before joining Yazaki, I have started taking learnings from Technominds regarding to PCB design. So Technominds is a strong solution for getting PCB design courses as well as embedded courses at same platform. So any of your doubt will be cleared with proper guidance. So join Technominds so you will be able to get better opportunities for your career. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ibn Ibrahim and I joined Technominds Institute when I was in 3rd year of engineering. I joined for the courses of PCB designing and embedded systems and IoT. So I would really like to thank Technominds for giving a good foundation to my professional career and also shaping myself and my skill set in the which aligns with the industrial requirements. Also, I would also thank Nikhil sir who has been my mentor and guided me during all these years and hard work and preparation. He was really like a mentor to me, and the infrastructure and the lab and the faculty at Technominds is really good, and I would really recommend all of you to join Technominds Institute if you're interested in embedded systems and IoT and also the PCB designing. Thank you.